Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys how to make beautiful woolen flower with fork and beads. First thing to do is to wrap around the wool on the fork for 30 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use it to secure both sides of the wool. Pull the wool out from the fork and wrap around on one side 6 times to make a base for further designs. Sew the base and attach a bead on it. Make the designs 6 and join them together to make beautiful woolen flower. Attach medium-sized bead at the center to make it even more beautiful. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I believe you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.